Oh, hey there. Didn't see you. Sorry. I was just enjoying the view. No! Whoopsies. I probably should not have thrown this case. I mean, it's not a baby. Shh. Go to sleep, little iPad. I mean, you could babysit it if you wanted to. I can't imagine how group work would be like without iPads. Or can I? You're going to film this scene, and me and Riley will be in it, okay? Teamwork on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Okay, here, man. No!
Hey guys, are you ready to film?
No! Makes group work easier and takes care of my iPad. Man, I love this case!
So you probably can tell by now this stuff was already broken. This stuff is stuff we keep around the classroom just for fun. We show kids what we used to use, but this one broke in 2013. This iPad's been long gone for a hot minute. But it's a great eye-opener to what we had to go through as a class. When we were first starting out, we didn't have stuff to protect our cases or our cameras, and so stuff broke all the time. And we have not had an iPad break in 3 years since we've been using the Rug-Ed cases. They're fantastic, and the kids can do what? What do they get to focus on?
Doing their work.
Doing the work. They don't have to focus on breaking it or their parents having to replace something. And it just gives us peace of mind in the classrooms. We love these cases. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check back for some more funny videos. We got a great one coming up soon. We hope you'll check out Rug-Ed. Love the cases.
And now it's time for some bloopers.
Hey guys, are you ready to film?
We're going to film me and Riley for the next scene here. I'm just... Xander, you're going to film me and Riley for this shot, okay? Here. And action.
Oh, I got this stuff for the group right. No!
They get your seal of approval?
Yes.
Good deal.